You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Dutch, the name of a Dutch former footballer. For more names from football, make sure to stay tuned. Ruud Gullit is how it is pronounced in the Netherlands in Dutch. Ruud Gullit. So in English, it's generally pronounced as Ruud Gullit. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.